Today, let's look at how to load a program from the USB. As I'm looking at my machine's memory, I'm noticing that there's no 1061. Well, we run this set of programs a lot for our Intro to CNC students, and so we need to retrieve that program from our USB. So our USBs go right into the side of the machine. We'll put that USB stick into it. We'll go home, arrow up, and then arrow over. We make our USB active, we'll press enter, and we may need to press list programs to be able to see all those. On this USB, there's already a 1061 on there. So we'll go highlight down to it. Now you can actually just run the program from the USB, but we want to try to avoid doing that. So what we'll do now with this program highlighted, we'll hit F2 and we'll copy it back into the memory. And so now, to double check before we take it out or just assume that it's in there, home, up, over, back to our memory. We'll look for it by doing a quick search of 1061, and we see it's returned to our memory in our machine. Another way that we can verify that is to take the USB out. Can we then find it back into our program memory? That's how we know that the program is back into the memory and everything's right in the world.